Before I begin to start, I would like to thank my respected mentor, Mr. Kumar sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to express my views. So today we are here to express our views on the topic our Hindi literature. So yes, Avasti, do you know who is our Hindi literature?
Yes, she is one of the most respected and admired teacher of our school. She has a deep knowledge of Hindi literature and grammar. She teaches us Hindi in very simple and clear way.
So Utkarsh sir, what are the qualities of our Hindi literature?
We are standing here to speak about Hindi lecturer Miss Kiran Mishra ma'am. She relays the discipline and she also a good lecturer of Hindi and Sanskrit, but she also know the one of the best English for us. Now Manisha, what's your opinion?
We know that a Hindi teacher plays a crucial role in the educating students. But I will say about my ma'am, Mrs. Kiran Mishra ma'am. She is a teach very well and better to all students and love all the students. So Gautam.
And I also want to say something about our Hindi literature. She always motivates us to participate in all the activities, and she is also the teacher of our class teacher, Mr. Kuwar Singh Mehra. And I like her disciplined behavior. What is your opinion, Kajal?
She is our discipline man. She teaches discipline as well as I am the student of her class and she teach me Sanskrit. She has a well knowledge of Sanskrit and Sanskrit grammar. She teaches Sanskrit very well and she has a lot of knowledge about Sanskrit and extra knowledge in things. And I am very thankful to ma'am because she gave me this opportunity to speak about herself.
She always maintains the discipline of the school. She always reaches school at time. She also speaks English very fluently.
And before some years, she teaches us Sanskrit in class 6, 7th, and 8th. And I think she does not only the teacher of Hindi, and she also teaches us the discipline.
She comes from the Khatima. She is kindly hearted and play a frank role with us to our studies also and our behavior also. I like their studying and thank you ma'am for paying much attention towards us.
Okay guys, do you know Kiran ma'am is serving for this school from 2001?
She teaches Hindi very well and sometimes she tells us stories and teaches Hindi in very fluent way. If someone doesn't understand something, she explains it again and again very patiently.
And she always stands with all the students. And she always kept an eye to every student.
Especially girls, and she also take care of girls about herself and all the personal information about girls she takes from us, and she teaches Sanskrit, and I am very thankful to ma'am because she teaches us Sanskrit and I am got very well marks in her subject like 85% and 100 out of 95%. Thank you for giving me this wonderful marks.
She always being very protective and very supportive towards the school staff, the students and school staff.
I want to tell you a story that one day I met a old school students and he tell about me that about the Kiran he is in a job by the help and getting education by our best lecturer Kiran ma'am.
And I am also thankful to my teacher who gave me this opportunity and who contained me this subject and also got marks in her subject.
All the students in the school admire Kiran ma'am contribution in the school.
She fosters love to all students and teaches us very well. She comes from Khatima at the appropriate time. She teaches us Sanskrit, Hindi, and literatures and Hindi grammar at extra.
And
She
then
also knows when the friend of the student and when to be the strict teacher. She also, her nature is also with me, friendly nature, and she is very kind-hearted and loving person.
and she also a good lecturer of English subject also. She talk to us with English also and teaches but also Hindi and Sanskrit.
She takes care of all students and kept all the students under his eyes.
We all respect her very much and feel lucky to have such a good teacher.
So in the conclusion, we all have to say that thank you ma'am for being very protective and supportive towards our school, our students.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.